Meet Ben, your classic hustler, family man, and a lover of fast, reliable internet speeds, just like you and I. From a small house to a new, bigger one, his family has grown, and of course, more devices than ever. He's trying to keep all that running on the same little plan they had with Anne before all the big changes.
The internet is so slow.
My G, you need the perfect plan.
Just tap through the app and you can see the perfect plan for your new normal in seconds. It's about giving everyone in your house the connection they need to thrive and live to their full potential.
No freezing, no lag. Just laughter and smooth streaming. Just like home should feel.